Number 1. Illegal activities. The dark web hosts numerous illegal activities, including drug trafficking, weapons sales, and human trafficking. Many illicit marketplaces operate in this hidden realm, making it a hub for criminal enterprises. Number 2. Scams and fraud. There are many scams on the dark web, including fraudulent investment schemes, fake services, and phishing operations. Scammers exploit the anonymity of the dark web to defraud unsuspecting users.
Number 3. Malware distribution. The dark web is a common venue for distributing malware, including ransomware, spyware, and viruses. These malicious programs can infect users' computers and steal sensitive information. Number 4. Stolen data. Personal and financial data stolen from various breaches are frequently bought and sold on the dark web. This includes credit card information, social security numbers, and login credentials, which can be used for identity theft and financial fraud. Anonymity risks. While the dark web offers anonymity, it is not foolproof. Users can still be tracked through various means, including IP address leaks, software vulnerabilities, and law enforcement surveillance. Number 6. Child exploitation. The dark web can be a platform for disturbing content, including child exploitation and abuse materials. Law enforcement agencies and NGOs work to combat these heinous activities, but they persist in some corners of the dark web. Number 7. Hacking services. Services for hire that offer hacking capabilities or cyber attacks are available on the dark web. These can include everything from DDoS attacks to corporate espionage, posing serious risks to businesses and individuals. Number 8. Extortion and blackmail. Extortion schemes, such as ransomware attacks, are common on the dark web. Cybercriminals can demand large sums of money in exchange for not releasing stolen data or for restoring encrypted files. Number 9. Lack of regulation. The dark web operates largely outside of traditional legal and regulatory frameworks. This lack of oversight can exacerbate the risk of encountering dangerous and illegal activities without legal recourse. Number 10. Psychological impact. Exposure to disturbing and illegal content on the dark web can have significant psychological effects on individuals. Encountering such material can be distressing and contribute to mental health issues.